10 powerful reasons why you should drink cinnamon tea daily. Is it true that cinnamon can help control your blood sugar? Is it true that cinnamon can aid in weight loss? Is it true that cinnamon can improve digestion? Folks, today we're going to talk about cinnamon, scientifically known as Cinnamomum verum, an aromatic spice used in cooking for thousands of years with various medicinal properties, native to Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, and valued since ancient times for its therapeutic benefits. In some parts of India, daily cinnamon consumption is common and linked to increased longevity. So check this out, folks. Today's video is really interesting. If you're not following me or subscribed yet, please do it now. Let's get started. No beating around the bush. Cinnamon's benefits come mainly from two substances it contains. First, cinnamaldehyde, and second, eugenol, also found in cloves, which we often discuss on our channel. What's the 10th benefit I've picked for you today? The 10th reason to drink cinnamon tea daily. It improves digestion thanks to cinnamaldehyde's carminative properties. It stimulates digestive enzyme production, thus enhancing digestion. Ninth, anti-inflammatory action, also due to cinnamaldehyde and eugenol. Cinnamon can help ease pain and discomfort in joint muscles. Eighth benefit, it controls blood sugar levels. Polyphenols and proanthocyanidins increase insulin sensitivity, regulating blood glucose and helping diabetics. And insulin resistance is a key factor in diabetes. Cinnamon works by reducing insulin resistance and increasing sensitivity to this hormone. What's the 7th benefit of cinnamon tea? It can improve cardiovascular health. Firstly, it helps control blood sugar levels. So just for that reason, it's already beneficial for heart health. Additionally, cinnamon tea can lower cholesterol levels and reduce triglycerides, contributing to the prevention of atherosclerosis, those plaques of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other waste that build up in your arteries, obstructing the lumen of your arteries, essentially clogging your arteries over time. This plaque can rupture, break loose, and cause a heart attack, a stroke, or another thromboembolic event. Is that clear, everyone? So cinnamon can lower cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and protect the heart with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Hey folks, another point about cinnamon is that it can help lower blood pressure. Got it? So for these reasons, it's great for heart health, and vascular health is super important. The main causes of death nowadays are heart-related, like heart attacks and strokes. 6th benefit of cinnamon. It boosts metabolism, aiding weight loss thanks to cinnamaldehyde's thermogenic effect, which burns more calories. 5th benefit. Cinnamon boosts immunity with antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties from eugenol and cinnamaldehyde, fighting infections. 4th benefit of cinnamon. It enhances our cognitive function. So cinnamon's scent and consumption can stimulate our brain, improving memory and focus. This is due to epicatechins, which protect neurons and enhance brain function. All right, folks, here are the top 3 benefits of cinnamon tea. But first, tell me in the chat or comments if you like cinnamon and your relationship with it. I personally love it when making yogurt with fruit, protein, or other ingredients. For instance, at home, I often make chia yogurt and add cinnamon. It gives a tastier flavor. Another way to consume cinnamon is in coffee. Many who use sugar in coffee switch to cinnamon as it softens coffee's bitterness. So that's another way to use cinnamon. Got it, everyone. Let me know in the chat if you like cinnamon and where you're watching from, okay? Let's move on to the 3rd benefit of cinnamon. 3rd benefit of cinnamon. It can relieve PMS symptoms. Ladies, when that time comes and you're moody, in pain, stressed, and bloated, cinnamaldehyde may ease cramps and help mood due to eugenol's relaxing effect. 2nd benefit, it protects dental health. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties fight mouth bacteria and prevent bad breath. No one likes bad breath, right? Bad breath? No thanks. The first benefit is that cinnamon can improve skin health due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant actions, which protect the skin from free radicals and promote healthier, younger-looking skin. Now, folks, pay attention. I've listed 10 benefits, but there are risks. Can everyone consume cinnamon? Who shouldn't consume cinnamon? Let's see. Cinnamon can cause allergic reactions in some people. So if you've had any allergic reactions, don't consume cinnamon. It can also interact with medications, especially blood thinners like Maravan or warfarin. Those who need to regularly check their INR and monitor their coagulation levels due to a valve or prosthetic valve or any other condition requiring anticoagulants. Take note. Got it, folks? So if you're on blood thinners, be careful with cinnamon. Also, excessive cinnamon consumption can be toxic. Remember that trend where the people would fill a spoon with cinnamon and eat it as a challenge? Don't do that. Overdoing it isn't good. Lastly, pregnant women should also avoid high amounts of cinnamon. I've prepared a bonus for you, a simple, easy tea that combines 3 ingredients to boost circulation and fight inflammation and oxidative stress. If you want access to this easy-to-make bonus tea, please like this video. So hit that like button to unlock today's bonus, okay? Your like will also help this video reach more people, folks. The more people know about cinnamon's benefits, the more it can improve health naturally with few side effects or drug interactions. Your like today is crucial and could help someone else improve their health. So think of it that way, all right? My like not only unlocks the bonus I'll discover now, but also shares this content with someone else who'll benefit from cinnamon tea too. All right, let's begin. I see people like this. Okay, let's continue. It's really simple, very easy. It's cinnamon tea with honey and lemon, which helps burn fat and control diabetes. Go easy on honey, just a bit to control cholesterol, improve blood pressure and insulin sensitivity. So how do you make it? 1 liter. So how are you going to make it? 1 liter of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of honey, and lemon juice. Remember, folks, this is for 1 liter of water, okay? And you don't need that much honey either. Just use a small spoonful of honey, no more than that. Got it? All right, let's begin. Instructions. It's simple to make this tea. Boil water in a pot, add cinnamon sticks, reduce heat, and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the tea, add honey and lemon juice. Mix well and serve hot. It's that simple. Easy tea to start your day. Drink before or after lunch or throughout the day. Remember, it's not good to leave it overnight, okay? Always consume the tea fresh. Got it, everyone? That's the tip. That's the recipe. Let's go. I talked about the benefits of cinnamon. I mentioned cinnamon can help control cholesterol, diabetes, and blood pressure. However, a lack of cinnamon isn't the root cause of these health issues. No. The real origin of these problems in the vast majority of cases almost always lies in your daily habits, your diet, your level of physical activity, the quality of your sleep, and your ability to manage stress and anxiety. So the source of these diseases and issues is there. It's in your behaviors, daily habits, essentially your lifestyle. If you don't change your lifestyle, cinnamon tea won't help, okay? Don't put all your faith in cinnamon tea and do nothing else. So let's say you want to control your diabetes naturally. Let's use this example. So you saw this video and decided to drink cinnamon tea every morning for breakfast. And now you're thinking, oh no, now that Dr. Joao on YouTube said cinnamon tea is good, I'll drink it and won't need anything else. I don't need to eat well, take my meds, or exercise anymore. Folks, that's not what I'm saying. Yes, cinnamon tea helps. But if you drink it and don't exercise, don't lift weights, eat poorly, don't hydrate, don't sleep well, don't manage stress, smoke and drink, folks, pour cinnamon tea. It's not magic. It won't fix your life. What will is addressing the root, your habits. So if you have type 2 diabetes, which is 90% of cases, it's because you eat poorly, don't hydrate, and drink alcohol, because you sleep poorly, don't exercise, and can't manage your stress. That's why you have type 2 diabetes. It's not a cinnamon deficiency. No, type 2 diabetes stems from your habits. So when you address the root cause, we have a good chance of solving this problem. Because if you realize that your diet, physical activity, sleep, and stress levels are harming you, once you correct and change these things, the problem disappears. Do you understand what I'm saying? Crucial message, especially for those with diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol, poor circulation, or if you're anxious, have trouble sleeping, or can't manage stress well. Look, if you have these issues I mentioned, you might not know you can treat them naturally. There are proven strategies that don't need doctors, tests, or medicines to address these problems. If used correctly, These strategies can even help you stop taking medication for these conditions. So, if you have diabetes or high blood pressure and follow these strategies, you might not need meds anymore. Ever thought how great it'd be to stop taking losartan for your high blood pressure? Or if you're a type 2 diabetic, to stop taking metformin? Well, it's possible. I teach you how in my book, The Longevity Code, with 101 habits to live past 101. These habits can prevent diseases. Want to know which ones? Heart attacks, strokes, cancer. It can treat and reverse today's major health issues. Type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, poor circulation, obesity, anxiety, insomnia. All natural, no meds, no contraindications, no unwanted side effects. Sounds good? Want to improve your life, boost your health, and increase your energy? Here's what to do. Click the first link in the description to get your longevity code. By clicking that link, you'll access a huge discount. Instead of $80, you'll pay just $39.90, over 50% off, plus an unconditional satisfaction guarantee. What's that mean? If you buy the book, read it, and don't like it, I'll refund your money. I'm making this commitment. No fuss, no red tape, no fine print, no tricks. So I'm taking on this commitment and the risk of having to reimburse you.